Hello guys, Deepan here, and today in this video I will show you how you can scan your website for completely free online to uh, to check if your website has any malware or viruses. So basically there is a totally free website service that called Sucuri. So you can come to sitecheck.sucuri.net and you can put your website here. Like let me show you. Like I'm copying 7boards.com and I have pasted there, and it will scan your website for total free. Okay, it's free of cost, nothing there. Submit, and it's scanning your website. As you can see, it's showing low security risk. So basically this is a free service, but if your website has any virus, you can ask them for support also. That's a totally different thing. But uh, yes, you can check your website or scan for any malware that present in your website from here. So basically I cannot show you a hacked website. I tried to find a website that has malware or something so I can show you, but I didn't find any. So if your website has any um, viruses, it will show like medium or high or critical. Let me show you some example. Sucuri, where? Sucuri. Okay, it's not showing there, but it's totally fine. You can scan your website from here. Just come to this domain sucuri.net. You can scan for any website. Let me scan like mcpharma.com. If your website has any issues, it will show there. Like here it is saying like medium security risk. You can come down below and you can check that what is the risk here, like website uh, has no firewall and etc. Like no here you can see the details. So yeah, it's a totally free, and go check it out. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.